This is the Virgin Mary Chapel in the middle of the forest in Greece. It's only accessible by hiking trail, and there's a cave in there. And this is the area I came from. Really inside the forest. There's all kinds of cables to get here to hang on to so you don't fall. Really high up on a hill. Bugs flying around. See what's up here. So there is a pulley system that goes from here all the way up the mountain, maybe to bring down supplies like the monasteries had. Let's go see what's up here. Now we're just on the edge of a cliff. Ooh, big drop. Oh, cool. Like cave dwellings. Oh, this is awesome. You can see where they've had fires up there. Maybe they had a platform to sleep on. Ow! Hit my head because I'm so tall. So, if you look over in that direction, there's a set of stairs that I've walked from. Parking area is a good ways away. Let's see what else is out here. Woo! This is awesome. Careful to not fall off the little hill. And nastiness, lots of nastiness. So when the trail ends here, there's some more of the little, inside the cave area. It just ends right there, so we're not going to crawl in there. Normally we would crawl in there. So there was a system of waterfalls along the way. Very beautiful. No houses in sight. Only sounds of nature and waterfalls and me. So I'm still at this the chapel with the cave dwelling that I'm guessing was a monk. And there's writing on the inside. Just saw it on the way back out. Oh, there's a shrine up here. I'm standing on the wood. So there's like the Last Supper maybe on the hanging up. And you can see over here where there's carvings, which I'm not sure if we did or they did. And then the area where they've had fires and stuff. And you can see where the ceiling is all burned. That was the floor I was standing on, what's left of it. And then this looks like it's really wide, but it's very narrow and a little scary. And it's just on the side of a cliff. And here's the entrance again from the bottom. Then way down there is where I came from. Started at the creek, or at the ancient bridge, and hiked the trail to here, and there went a little lizard. Lots of birds, lizards, all that kind of stuff. They've got the pulley system here, I'm guessing to lower supplies down. Gotta hang on to that to drop down. This is it's just breathtakingly beautiful. So many flowers and so many sounds of nature. Got all these flowers. plants. There's a little critter of some sort. Lots of lizards, lots of stuff moving. Very cool. And again, this is the Virgin Mary Chapel in the middle of the forest in Greece. The waterfall here is Neda, N-E-D-A waterfall. It's just beautiful. What a treat. What a blessed life. We're very fortunate to get to come out and do this type of thing. We've got the bell over here still hanging. More plants. Alright, now it's time to hike back out. So the waterfall is like 4 sections. I saw the middle, the bottom,